welcome back to my channel. It's Alex. Please consider to subscribe if you like my videos. I have a lot of luxury unboxing that I usually do, but not only luxury, like a lot of different stuff. So in today's video, if you see, it's gonna be one of this luxury unboxing. It's not an unboxing, it's actually what I just purchased today at Louis Vuitton store. So I'm not sure about the quality of these videos because I'm not home, I don't have my cameras, so I'm kind of like away, and I just decided to make this video because I stepped by Louis Vuitton today and got something here. I also stepped by another store, as you can see over here, which is Gucci, and I got something here too that I'm going to do another video about. So and this is super simple, literally like the easiest piece. I decided to get one more, like I have another pattern, and I decided to do one more because I love it so much. And also I kind of worry that this might discontinues well by some point. I mean, I don't know it, but who knows, since Louis Vuitton started to discontinue a lot of their monogram items like toiletry pouches. So I actually checked today toiletry pouches. They have like toiletry 15 available. They don't have 26, obviously. It's always like unavailable, even though before the discontinue process. Now they have like 15 for $490. I didn't take it because it's really super small for me. I have like toiletry cases, so I decided, okay, I will skip it even though it's discontinued stuff, but it's really too small for me. Probably if I see 19, I might get one, but for now I just want to show you this thing what I got here. So this is they also actually give me this little perfume. I even already ripped it away, and it's very nice. It's called something like this. Let me just show you because I have no idea how to pronounce it. So I didn't try it yet, but I'm very excited to try. I actually am not really a fan of Louis Vuitton perfumes, but I will definitely try this one. I tried to find something that I like, but till now I didn't get anything like this. So this is a small item, as you can see, this little box. And let me just, this is the envelope, regular thing, and let me just check the price because I didn't really looked at the price then I got, because I know like approximate price how much it cost. So, and this is, yes, this is I forgot how it's called. So it's key pouch. So this is one more key pouch in my collection, and I paid two. So it's the price is $270, and I don't see actually how much was with taxes. So with taxes and everything, it was $294.01. Okay, so I decided to get one more because I have one over here. I'm gonna show it right now. This one, I got this one after I got my Damier Ebene Speedy 25 that I love so much, and I use it. I don't really use it right now during the summer, but like in the winter time or like spring, fall, I use it a lot. I love it so much, this Damier Ebene. Okay, so, and I use this one a lot. Even now I just use it like in every single, from like bag to bag, because this is for some reason the most convenient and most comfortable piece probably from all wallets I've ever owned. because I don't know, it just super comfortable to use. I have like even my metro card here, ID, like everything here, and a lot of cards as you can see. Plus I even have some cash over here. So, and I don't really use this thing, this part, this clip. It's actually, as you can see, literally like brand new, no scratches, no tarnishing, no like anything like this, and I love it so much. This piece is probably like really, as I said, the best. I own wallets from Chanel, I have YSL, I have Balenciaga, my like recent purchase, and I love my Balenciaga because it's like a bigger one, with some slots over here for cards, and I love it so much. But this one is really the best piece for like to go. And since it's like from a price point, it's like the most affordable piece from Louis Vuitton, and I decided I want to get one more online. Probably, as you know, you will never really able to get this piece online. Actually, this one I got online. It just appeared like once for like a long time. I was waiting and I see like Damier being available. So that's why I took Damier bean. It wasn't like planned to be like with my speed or something. It just whatever it was available by that point. So, and today I checked in one store, they said they don't have it, but tomorrow is gonna be some like arrivals, and they said they probably will have 2 or 3 pieces. They told me that in the Macy's location in New York City, like in the Manhattan Macy's location, Louis Vuitton, they told me they have deliveries like once a week, for example. They bring like 1 2 pieces of each canvas, and they like sells like right away. So they told me like if you want if you want Monogram, step by tomorrow morning, like the 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 second minute, like the first minute, then open stores is opening. So that's why it's really popular, of course. So I and so they didn't have it. I went to another location in Saks Fifth Avenue location, Louis Vuitton boutique up there, and they actually have all of them. They have this one available, they have Monogram one available, and also they have Damier Azur available. So I was looking at Damier Azur and Monogram like I don't know for several minutes because I couldn't decide which one I want, because Damier bean is so light and so nice. I mean, for like summery it would be super perfect, but in the same time I wanted this one is the one I wanted like in the very beginning. So I wouldn't even buy this one if that one would be available. So that's why it was like a deal for me. I tried to decide what I wanted, and even the person who helped me, she said like, if you want like for a long run, take Monogram because it's really durable. Damier Azur is gonna be like, you know, spots, maybe some darkening or something. It's a lot of white spots in there. So, and I decided to take this one. Okay, so as you can see, this is like regular box over here, like all the usual Louis Vuitton stuff, and super little dust bag over here. Okay, let's open it up and see. Okay, so this is even bigger dust bag. Usually they give me dust bag like this. It just opens one and that's it. And here like super long one, which is cool. I so much like it. Okay, let me just put it out and see. Okay, so this is it. This is the key pouch that I picked, and I so much like that I have like regular Monogram, the most like classic one. This one I have like now in my collection. I mean, yes, they do look similar, they do look from the same kind of colors, but still I think this is very like I don't know, for I mean, if you pick from three colors of them, most people I guess buy this one because this is a monogram, the most popular, and everyone, I don't know, likes monogram the most of all of them. And okay, so let's see what's inside. Inside you have this little piece, what it's called, PO class monogram M62650. Okay, and also they have this one. It's something new because before they have different piece of paper inside, and here it says coated fabric exterior, interior is cowhide, made in USA of important materials. Okay, and this is it. So okay, let's see how it look inside. Okay, so you have same kind of hardware here, totally same. And actually it's cool that okay, so this one is I use a lot. I really use it like a lot and they look pretty much same to me. I mean, yes, probably this one is a little more shinier, but this one is really not really much. I can say I'm using it for like super long time, maybe like half a year, but since pretty good. And I do love it, and I'm going to keep it, I guess. I'm not sure for like if I need two of them, but was like the number one for me. It was the one I wanted from a very beginning, so I'm very happy that I could find it today in this location, and I'm very happy that so yeah, I guess let me see if I can show inside over here. Yeah, so what it says, Louis Vuitton Paris. Okay, Louis Vuitton Paris. And so is this piece of paper says this one that it's made in US. So this piece was made in France. This was my like one of my first piece that I ever bought from Louis Vuitton, and this one is made in France. But as for me, I don't really care that it made from like, I mean, France okay, US okay, Spain and stuff like that. I have most of my items made in France and I love them, but I don't really run for made in France sign. Okay, so I guess this is it for this video. I'm super excited that I finally have this monogram piece in my collection. I consider to get some more monogram items, especially small leather goods, especially the ones I really want, like cosmetic pouches, something like that, like maybe taller to pouches if I could find 19 somewhere. In the store, as I said, they have only 15, but if they have like 19, I would definitely buy it, because I have this feeling that monogram is just going away really soon. Maybe not like in several years, but for sure it's gonna be super hard to find. Okay, so this is really nice. I mean, it's totally the same, it's just like only look is different, but it's completely same inside and all around. Okay, so thanks so much for watching this video, and like not literally unboxing but unpacking this beautiful key pouch with me. I'm so excited to add this monogram Louis Vuitton piece in my collection, and I see you soon with another video that I am going to unbox this beautiful Gucci box. This one. Alright, stay tuned. Have a great day. Bye.